Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that's generating quite a bit of buzz, a generic model marketed as an 8K dual-camera GPS drone with brushless motors and obstacle avoidance, arriving in a sleek gray finish and packed with 3 batteries. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is its foldable design. This makes it incredibly portable, easily fitting into a backpack or carrying case, which is a huge plus for anyone wanting to take it on adventures. It feels lightweight but sturdy enough, thanks in part to those brushless motors, which usually mean better performance and longevity compared to brushed ones. Now, let's talk about the cameras. It boasts dual cameras, advertised as 8K. While the marketing highlights 8K capabilities, the actual video capture resolution listed is 1080p, with effective still resolution at 12 megapixels. So, you're getting high-resolution stills and full HD video, which is still great for sharing online, and the electronic image stabilization is key to keeping that footage smooth and watchable, even when the drone is moving. Having 2 cameras allows for different perspectives, or perhaps a downward view, while the main camera faces forward. Flight performance is where this drone aims to shine, especially for beginners. It comes equipped with GPS, which is essential for stable hovering and reliable return-to-home functions. The obstacle avoidance feature adds a layer of safety, helping prevent crashes by detecting obstacles in its path, which is a fantastic aid for new pilots. Optical flow positioning assists with stability when flying indoors or at lower altitudes where GPS might be weak. This combination of features makes it quite beginner-friendly, as advertised. One of the standout features is the battery situation. It includes 3 high-capacity batteries. The listing suggests up to 48 minutes of flight time, which typically means the combined total flight time you can expect by cycling through all 3 batteries. This is significantly better than drones that only come with 1 battery, minimizing downtime and letting you enjoy more airtime during each outing. Controlling the drone is done via a user-friendly remote control and likely an accompanying app, as it's listed as app-controlled. This usually provides access to intelligent flight modes, camera settings, and real-time video transmission. The comprehensive package includes everything you need to get started: the drone, the remote, those 3 batteries, spare propellers, always handy, and a USB charging cable. It seems designed to be ready to fly with minimal fuss after charging. Overall, this gray 8K dual-camera GPS drone with brushless motors and obstacle avoidance, coming with 3 batteries, presents itself as a feature-rich option, particularly appealing to adults looking for a beginner-friendly drone with extended flight time and safety features like obstacle avoidance and GPS stability. While the 8K camera claim versus the 1080p video output is something to note, the combination of features like dual cameras, EIS, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and multiple batteries makes it a compelling package for its target audience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.